Hello and welcome to Like a Native Speaker. Today I'm going to help make a difficult grammar point an easy one. That's right, I'm going to talk about mixed conditionals. So just before we get into the main part of this, I want to review exactly what a conditional is. A conditional is a kind of sentence that has two actions, and always one of the actions depends on the result of the first one. Most conditionals contain the word if. If you understand so far, then you're doing great. Of course, if you're here listening to me, you already understand the basics of conditionals, and you want to know more. This video is going to talk about mixed conditionals, but one kind of mixed conditional especially. Take a look at this situation. See if you can think of what kind of conditional is happening. Hey, what are you doing?
Marking tests.
You sound kind of upset. What's wrong?
I'm pretty sure that there is a student who's cheated.
Really? Have they cheated before?
Yep.
Well, if they cheated before, they'll probably do it again. Maybe you should check the other students' papers, see if anything's the same.
Will do.
Any ideas? This is a really tricky one. That was actually called the assumptive conditional, or conditional of assumption. First, let's talk about what an assumption is. To the couch! An assumption is when you act like something is true, even if you don't know 100% if it is. Usually because you have evidence or you're pretty sure. For example, I act like the sun will rise tomorrow, even though I don't know 100%. But history means I'll probably be right. So again, assumption is acting like something is true, even if you don't know for sure. Now that we have assumption, let's break down how this is used. The first part of the sentence, the if clause, is constructed using the simple past tense. They're referring to an event that has already happened in the past with an unknown result. The second half of the sentence, the result clause, uses the simple future form, using will. So the if clause is simple past and the result clause is simple future. It's unusual to match these two grammar forms together in a conditional, but it creates that feeling of assumption. We use the simple future because we are certain that this result is true, assuming the past action is also true. And while this grammar construction is often not taught in textbooks, it can be very useful, as you can see from the example before. A way to change the sentence to make the feeling of assumption more clear is to change if to assuming. So creating a conditional sentence mixing the simple past and the simple future creates a feeling of assumption that we can use if we don't know the result of a past action. But that past action has future consequences. And just like that, you now understand mixed conditionals a little better. If you have any questions, of course, put them in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching.